Hey guys, welcome to Soulful Adventures. So let's see what are the cards for our next zodiac sign, and that is for Leo for the month of December 2020. Right now I'm shuffling cards for you guys for Leo for the month of December 2020. Let's see what messages universe wants to give to Leo for the month of December 2020. Okay, the first card, second one, the third card, fourth one, wow, fifth card, sixth one, and your overall energy. So Cancerians and Leos have got the same overall energy, that is Knight of Cups. So Knight of Cups is again a romantic person coming into your life. It's a very emotional love offered to you, person who is going to be very creative in love, and you can also mean that this is a true love, soulmate kind of energy this month. So for Leos, month of December would be many love proposals coming to them. If you were waiting for that right person to come to you, yes, this is the month you might find that soulmate. And yes, overall this month would be into an idea of being loved or being in love. Okay, so this is the overall energy of the Leo in the month of December. They are quite in love or in love with the idea of being in love, we can say that. Then so the first card for Leos is Four of Pentacles. Now Four of Pentacles is a card where you are very much stable with your money. The money which you have already invested or kept or saved for yourself, you are going to be very much stable into that. Okay, it means there could be a savings, more savings than your previous month. It also means that you finally realizing your worth. You could also help someone else in the month of December from your saved money. Investments are on board. So Leo, please focus on more savings, more investments, helping others who are in need right now with your stability, with your security of finances. No much expenses in the month of December, and more savings is on board for the month of December. Leos, focus on savings and investments. What next card we have as your second card is Five of Cups. Now Five of Cups means that Leos, you might be grieving still. It could also mean that yes, you have accepted that some things cannot be changed, some things need to end, let go of, and there is no reason to cry over a spilled milk. Still you have something to salvage in your hand. Whatever is lost is lost. You cannot make any difference right now. It's been in the past. So accept that yes, I cannot change anything, but whatever I have in my hand right now, or whatever I have with me, I mean to say the people who are with you, the support you are getting from your friends, from your family, the ideas that are yours, and they are going to support you till long time. So that is what you need to accept right now. What we have as your third card, that is Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords is an energy where you exactly know what you need to manifest. Okay, it doesn't mean that I need everything to get successful. Exactly what are your goals? So manifest your specific goals in the month of December, guys. You are getting an opportunity to, this is a wish card. This is a highest minor arcana card where you are getting, an opportunity to manifest things you definitely want in your life. You are getting some, time, the opportunity to go and grab those goals. Okay, specific goals, and not in hurry, but very strategically, very specifically this month. Manifest very specifically those goals in your life which you want to be get done first. Okay, this is a opportunity card in the month of December you are getting. What next card we have is Strength. This is a Leo card. What a wonderful card we have in the Leo reading, strength card. So yes, your strength, and it is associated with Four of Pentacles. So trust me, Leos, in the month of December, you have to show your inner strength to do the charity, to help others, to invest for yourself. Think about you first, because you are very generous, okay? And Four of Pentacles is also associated with generosity. So if you are being generous to others, be generous to yourself also in the month of December. Save, invest and help others. Be little more generous than you are, Leo, okay? But be generous with yourself first and then with others, okay? Take your care also. Then we have your next card as Death card or Rebirth card. It's a Scorpio card. So exactly when you have a Five of Cups energy, it means that you have to accept the change and move ahead. And when you have got a Death card, it means transformation. It means there are going to be very painful endings, but it is going to begin with a new beautiful beginnings. Okay, so Death card or a Rebirth card is without a proper ending, there could not be a new beginning. So you have to accept these changes, okay, and you have to accept that I need to end some toxic energies in life and then to go ahead and begin newly. Okay, what next card we have is Nine of Pentacles. Now Nine of Pentacles is a card where, you know, it means that you are going to, or you have already achieved or attained the level of that financial freedom or financial stability, or you have already met with your milestones, and this is a time of celebration. You have to eat the fruits of your own efforts, okay? You have put a very much work in your last few months, hard work, and these are the fruits that are because of your hard work. So this is the time you just have to pick the fruits for your hard work and eat and enjoy it. It means celebration, it means spiritual satisfaction, personal achievement. It also means that this is the time where you have to harvest the fruits of your efforts, okay? As I said, you manifest specific goals in this month. So after, you know, by end of December, you would be ready for the harvest time, okay? So with this, we would be meeting in the next month for our next January readings. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.